Safari animals sound song.
The lion on safari goes
Roar, roar, roar.
The elephant on safari goes
Trumpet, trumpet, trumpet.
The zebra on safari goes
Neigh, neigh, neigh.
The gorilla on safari goes
Thump, thump, thump. Roar, trumpet, neigh, thump.
The hippo on safari goes
Splash, splash, splash.
The crocodile on safari goes
Snap, snap, snap.
The rhino on safari goes
Snort, snort, snort.
The leopard on safari goes
Growl, growl, growl.
Splash, snap, snort, growl. The flamingo on safari goes
Hop, hop, hop.
The ostrich on safari goes
Boo, boo, boo.
The baboon on safari goes
Bark, bark, bark.
The antelope on safari goes
Bleat, bleat, bleat.
honk, boom, bark, bleat. The meerkat on safari goes
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
The snake on safari goes
Hiss, hiss, hiss.
The warthog on safari goes
Grunt, grunt, grunt.
The wildebeest on safari goes
Moo, moo, moo.
chirp, hiss, grunt, moo. The giraffe on safari goes The monkey on safari goes
Ooh, ah, ah.
The jackal on safari goes
Howl, howl, howl.
The camel on safari goes
Groan, groan, groan.
ooh, ah, howl, groan. All together on safari, sounds from dusk till dawn.
Roar, trumpet, neigh, thump.
Splash, snap, snort, growl. Honk, boom, bark, bleat. Chirp, hiss, grunt, moo.